Right, so you want to make a mixtape. So you need a cassette. Make sure that the cassette is already wound behind the white piece of plastic so that you can get the most of your cassette. Next, you will need something to get your audio from. In this case, I'm going to be using an old netbook, but you can use any other thing that you want, including a telephone or a radio or even a compact disc or another cassette. But do note that if you are using a MacBook, don't leave it charged because the static electric from the metal body will affect the quality of the audio coming from the headphone jack. You also need a 3.5mm headphone jack, two composite cables. Now, there is another video telling you how to separate video specified cables from audio ones, but in this case, please make sure you get audio ones, otherwise you'll fry your electronics. And last but not least, you need to have a cassette player with recording capabilities. Let's get started. Right, first of all, connect your composite cables to the aux input of your cassette recorder, like this. Make sure that they are tight so that the audio doesn't get fuzzy or disqualified during the recording process. After you have connected the aux cable, connect the 3.5mm headphone jack into your audio output of your computer. Most computers have the audio with a pair of little headphones like this, so be sure you plug into that, otherwise you won't get any audio. Some computers have one jack and just plug into that jack because it's fine. If you are using a phone that has no headphone jacks, find an adapter, that's it. After you have done that, it's time to put your cassette into the cassette recorder. But before you put it though, make sure that there is some magnetic tape on the center of your cassette tape. You have to wind it at least like this to get your player to start recording properly. After that, put your cassette into the cassette recorder and wait. Start your cassette recorder. After that, start your computer. Before we start recording though, we need to make sure that the audio doesn't get too loud or too soft for your liking. First, switch to your aux mode. Next, set your computer's audio to the lowest, and then open a random YouTube video. There should be no audio, and this is fine because all audio is piped to the audio jack. Slowly and gradually, test the audio on your cassette recorder. Alright, there we go. We have audio. Now we just need to fine tune the audio on our computer so that we can get the best out of our computer. After you are done, stay on the aux input. Press tape record and press play on your computer. If there's any wrong sounds on your cassette, just press tape record again. Sometimes you might need to take the cassette out and in, and sometimes you might not. Right, it seems like we have an issue here with the tape, so we will take the tape off it. put your computer nice and snug, and then take off, wind it past the wheel a bit, then put that in. Sometimes the tape might come out, but that's not an issue nowadays. So now we're done. Press tape record. Right, it should be recording now, so we should play. Now we should just wait. After the song is done, press tape record to stop recording temporarily, and then go to the second song you want. Pause the video first, skip any ads if necessary, pause the video, and press tape record again. Right, it seems we have another issue again. After you're done recording, just put your tape, press play, and enjoy.
Merry Christmas!